Okay, my GE dishwasher won't turn on, so I'm going to replace the door switch. And I've already turned off the circuit breaker. To do that, I'm going to open the door and remove these 6 screws, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, so I can remove the front panel. Okay, to remove the front panel, pull forward just a little bit and then lift it up. And you can gently lay it down against the front side of the door so you don't break the ribbon cable. Now I'm going to remove the door switch with these 2 screws. And the switch detects whether the door is open or closed. Okay, we're going to remove the top cover on the switch so we can access the 2 switches that are inside. And these are just little tabs on the sides that you can pry off with a screwdriver. And you see there's the 2 switches inside the cover. So completely remove the old cover. Now on our new switch, we need to remove the cover. Now remove the new switch. I removed the left switch. So on the left switch inside the panel, we need to remove each wire. And then connect it to the same tab on the new switch. Now remove the second wire and connect it to the new switch. And do the same for the one on the right. Some of these wires might be on pretty tight, so it's okay to use a pair of pliers. Okay, after you get the wires connected to the switches, it's time to put it back into the housing of the new switch. If you drop the plunger, that's okay. Just keep putting the switches in. Okay, the white plastic piece is the plunger, and there is a spring at the bottom. You'll notice on the plunger there is a flat side, which will face the cover of the switch. So just put that back in place and then snap the cover on. And I did turn off the circuit breaker before I started doing this. So screw the new switch back in. Put the front panel back on and put the 6 screws back in. Now I've turned on the circuit breaker and push the start button and everything is working fine. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.